Sometimes during your video meetings, those chat messages are just a little too distracting. Let's jump into how to disable them. So in this particular video tutorial, we're going to go through how to disable the chat function within your video meetings. This is actually quite a useful little function that will help keep everyone engaged in your presentations and your video meetings. And obviously you have full flexibility here to enable and disable as you needed. So if you do find this video useful, do hit that like button for me. I really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel and you're not yet subscribed, do consider subscribing. By subscribing, you'll be kept up to date with all the various hints and tips that we do here at That Office Guy. Right, with all that said and done, let's jump on over to the desktop and just take a look at how to do this. Fantastic. So here we are just inside Microsoft Teams. And what we're going to do is just going to join a meeting that's been pre-set up here. Just a little hint and tip here for you guys. We can configure things as we go. So I'm not going to use a camera because that's currently up here as a webcam. What I'm going to do is just change the audio. I'm going to just make sure we have everything set up correctly. I'm going to use my headphones here. I'm going to do that into stereo mode. We're going to use the Streamlabs microphone rather than the Rode microphone. I'm going to use the LiveCam webcam, not that I'm going to have that enabled for now. So everything looks like it's good to go there. We're just going to click on join. And this will join the meeting. Fantastic. We've got John Smith. Yes, he's waiting in the lobby. Let's just view that lobby quickly. We've got a couple here. We've got John Smith and Jane Doe. So let's go and accept those in, get them into the meeting. Fantastic. Let's just turn off the microphone there as well so we don't get an echo. Right. So first thing we're going to do is actually just bring up that chat function. So this is the specific section that we're going to be talking about. This is the part which, potentially lots of your participants might be basically just chatting amongst each other. And you might want them to be more engaged with the video conversation itself. You might want to be presenting a PowerPoint or something like that. And ultimately, having this chat down here and, people potentially not engaging as you would intend, you will probably want to actually, start to control that. So let's walk into how to do this if the meeting has already started. So in this example, we're going to go over to the ellipses here, the three dots at the top of your video meeting. We're going to click those and go to the meeting options. From the meetings options, here we have a new feature called Allow Meeting Chat. It's currently enabled, but we're going to go ahead and see what's inside here. We obviously have the option to enable, disable, or in meeting only. So there's a few additional functionalities here. So we're going to actually just disable this for now and save those settings. Now, if we hop back over to our chat, we can see that chat is now turned off in this particular meeting. I'm going to just shoot this up a little bit so you guys can see that a little bit clearer. So there we go. So chat is now turned off. And again, this is something that obviously all the participants will see. They will no longer be able to see and basically communicate with each other in this chat function. So obviously they can still chat amongst themselves in the private chats outside of the video meeting. And that's a nice useful way to spitball ideas, etc. if needed. But at least inside the meeting, it's going to be kept more to the point. So if you're presenting a PowerPoint, you're going to want them to be very engaging. And obviously here you can see a message that's come up here saying that chat has been turned off for this meeting. So a really nice and useful feature. And obviously we can come back into the ellipses here, go to the meeting options, and from the allow meetings chat, from the drop down, we can go ahead and enable that and click save. And again, this will now, if we hop back over to the conversations, let meeting chat actually, work. And you can see a message here saying that chat has been turned on for this meeting. Okay, and everyone can now go ahead and feel free to chat amongst each other. So it's a great little function to be able to enable and disable during a meeting as needed. Obviously, as you saw from the ellipses and meetings option here, we also have the ability to only have this as an in meeting. Okay, so outside of the meeting, you will no longer be able to chat inside the chat function for that particular meeting in question. So it's quite a nice little feature if you only want to have chat messages bouncing around during the meeting and not outside of the meeting. And then you'll have like a record of events that were happening. So if you were using the chat function as a way of kind of keeping notes or asking questions and having that as a bit of an audit trail, then you might want to select that as an in meeting only. Now I'm going to go ahead and just keep this as an enabled for now and click on save. Okay, with that done, I am going to leave this meeting very briefly. I'll be back in a second. But what we're going to do is we're going to have a look and see actually if we were setting up a meeting, how would we go about doing it? So I'm going to go ahead and edit this particular meeting. And from here at the very top of the screen, you can see something called meeting options. If we click on meeting options, so with meeting options, what you'll be able to do is see this appear inside a web browser. These are your options for the particular meeting. So with this being said, we can see various different elements to here, including whether or not you want to enable or disable the allow meeting chat. So again, from here, you can see it's currently set to enable. We can obviously disable that or have it just in a meeting only. So you get the flexibility before the meeting's even started. So you get lots of different ways to basically go about editing your meetings and whether or not you want to allow or not allow the meeting chat. So really useful stuff. I'm going to leave this as enabled and basically leave that as that is. With that done, obviously, we can then go ahead and join the meeting and enjoy whether we'll have the chat enabled or disabled. So very, very straightforward to do. And that's it really, guys. It's quite straightforward to go out and, enable or disable the chat functions within Microsoft Teams using the meetings options. This can be done in advance whilst scheduling the meeting itself, or it can be done during the meeting as well. So if you have found this video useful, then please do go ahead and hit that like button for me. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel and you're not yet subscribed, do consider subscribing. You'll be kept up to date with all of the various hints and tips that we do here at That Office Guy. And with all this said and done, I hope everyone has a fantastic day, and I'll catch you all in the next one.